Hello and welcome. My name is Catherine, and I'll be taking you through our proposed strategy for Excalibur Investments to achieve its marketing objectives through the redesign of its marketing technology system. I'll be highlighting various approaches for consideration before presenting a final solution that will serve to optimize performance and drive operational growth. So let's get started. Following the company's establishment in 2016, we've established steady organic growth by providing our consumers with a web-based platform and mobile trading application to facilitate the purchase and trading of stocks on the Australian Stock Exchange. Whilst we've enjoyed significant success amongst the millennial audience, the industry has also become more saturated with several competitive substitutes looking to grow their market share by capitalizing on the increased usage of trading platforms from a younger, more influential demographic. As a result, our relative growth rate percentage has begun to decline, heightening the need for a new strategic marketing approach to help maintain our market-leading position. Luckily, the recent overhaul of our core leadership and management team has since resulted in a clear vision and strategic direction for the company's marketing program in a bid to significantly expand operations over the next few years. In this case, the new marketing objectives include increasing the leads and organic visitors to the website and growing content marketing, social media, and email marketing activity to drive the acquisition and subsequent retention of a more engaged community of users. Over the years, we have gradually developed our own Martech stack by adopting numerous different best-in-breed tools and platforms in response to specific task requirements on an ad hoc basis, which has helped us address the needs of the organization as they were realized in the short term. However, it has become increasingly evident that the current marketing technology system cannot facilitate the marketing process, campaign activity, and data exchange required to help achieve the new objectives without some alterations. A need, therefore, exists for the company to evaluate the capabilities of the current stack in light of the new strategic direction of the business and identify suitable modifications to create a more effective and profitable alternative. Although the company has increased the level of brand awareness and consideration by driving potential leads to the website, the success of its core product offering resides in its ability to convert and retain a community of long-term users. As the diagram of the existing stack highlights, the company has not fully considered the engagement and conversion stages of the customer's journey, highlighting a need for additional tools in these areas to optimize the user experience across the website and increase the likelihood of purchase. Following a detailed capability gap analysis of the current Martech stack, the specific areas of focus that will be addressed across all proposed solutions to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the existing system include consolidate some tool types to increase efficiencies across internal processes and budgetary spend. Some tools and platforms, such as social media management, for example, should be consolidated into a single vendor that can manage both paid and organic activity, helping the company reduce the overlap of features that previously existed between multiple tools. Facilitate a multi-channel experience that drives the customer through the buyer's journey, with new tool types included to help us fulfill the objectives at each touchpoint. Each of the proposed systems will include additional technologies such as a content management system, a CRM platform, conversational marketing platform, and a digital project management tool. We need to maintain a focus upon analytical data to optimize the performance of marketing across every customer touchpoint. And lastly, we need to significantly improve the integration of the stack as a whole to facilitate more fluid exchange of data. Given the company's lack of technical expertise and budgetary limitations, it is suggested that it should optimize its existing best-in-breed stack to its full potential. Incorporating a simple IPAS tool or connector such as Tray will help connect previously disparate applications to enable more streamlined data exchange and optimize the efficiency of the internal marketing process. The new proposed Martech stack will complement the existing stack by utilizing many of the same tools, helping to reduce the time required for the implementation of changes. The company will leverage each tool to the full extent of its capabilities, with some consolidated into a single vendor to reduce overlaps and inefficiencies. Whilst the changes may seem relatively minor, they will likely have a substantial impact upon the performance of marketing operations, including better overall integration and the ability to tailor a specific system best suited to the company's unique business needs and requirements. Using a simple IPAS tool within the existing stack will allow us to leverage the benefits of the best-in-breed system without the usual limitations of a lack of integration, helping us achieve our objective more quickly without significantly affecting internal operations. In this case, each tool within the amended system has been purposely chosen based on the value it provides the overall stack. It uses various platforms and applications across multiple stages of the customer journey with vendors such as Google Ads and Amazon DSP for specific tactics such as retargeting to increase the likelihood of conversion. Similarly, specific tools such as Hootsuite are used across the entire process to manage a variety of potential campaigns and materials that may be required at each stage. So the second option available to Excalibur Investments to increase the integration, efficiency, and overall performance of its Martech system is to redesign the majority of the existing stack to accommodate a dedicated marketing suite such as Adobe Experience Cloud. This full-stack Martech suite contains a broad spectrum of features across its tools to target and organize key audiences, optimize marketing performance, and consolidate activity within a single interface. The use of a stereotypical best-in-suite approach would significantly improve the overall integration and streamline internal workflows, allowing us to reduce valuable time and resources. The Adobe Suite also allows direct integrations and plugins with numerous other tools and platforms to fulfill any capability gaps that could prevent us from achieving the marketing objectives, helping to tailor a solution to our individual needs and requirements. Although the implementation of the proposed stack will involve a high degree of change in this case, the new system will still utilize the same type of tools and platforms needed from all potential approaches to deliver the required marketing material at each touchpoint to drive consumers through to conversion. The final approach for consideration would be to develop a hybrid technology system by redesigning the existing stack to accommodate a partner ecosystem centered around the HubSpot marketing suite, which offers a multitude of connected products that will significantly improve the overall integration of the system. HubSpot has a vast partner network of applications that are connected to the stack via a dedicated plugin, allowing the company to integrate many of its existing tools within the system more easily. An additional IPAS tool would also help fill any gaps in integration, allowing us to tailor a system in accordance to our unique needs and requirements. Like the two previous approaches presented in this case, each tool within this amended system has been purposely chosen based upon the value it provides the overall stack in managing a necessary task to drive the customer through the buyer's journey. The system will also utilize the most valuable of the existing tools where possible to reduce the time and resources required to implement a new vendor. Whilst the merits of a best-in-breed or best-in-suite approach is often heavily contested within the industry, a hybrid approach involving the creation of an open partnership ecosystem such as HubSpot Marketing Suite has become increasingly popular given its ability to combine the benefits and eradicate the limitations that the two traditional systems offered. However, in this case, the simple inclusion of the dedicated IPAS tool within the existing best-of-breed approach could actually serve to be of more value to the company by facilitating tasks required at each touchpoint and optimizing its overall performance through improved integration, without spending the unnecessary time and resources in implementing an entirely new system. However, the potential benefits and limitations should not be the only criteria that determine the value of a potential solution. Given the constraints and requirements surrounding our company at the current point in time, such as the lack of technical experience amongst the marketing team, budgetary limitations, and expansion ambitions, the final solution will depend upon the ease and feasibility of its implementation. Out of the three potential solutions, the first approach would likely pose the lowest risk to the company, given the small degree of change to our current system relative to the alternatives, which involve redesigning the majority of the stack vendors to ensure they integrate with the marketing ecosystem proposed. As you can see here, this system will also be more cost-effective and significantly quicker to implement, with the suggested changes able to be made within 8 weeks. It will therefore have the least impact upon both the marketing team and our daily company operations, justifying its position as the recommended approach in this case. Unlike the alternative solutions, which would effectively redesign the system to accommodate the proposed marketing suites, the recommended solution utilizes many of the same vendors and tools from the previous Martech stack, with the select new independent vendors chosen only when they are perceived to be of higher value to the company than their predecessors. Whilst the solution is unlikely to encounter any resistance from the internal team, a framework has been developed using Prosky's ad card change management model to help management drive the change required for successful implementation, such as ensuring communication with the relevant stakeholders and marketing team as to the need for the change to the current system, involving the stakeholders within the planning process to ensure that they are continually engaged, providing the team with necessary training prior to launch, and providing ongoing support to the internal team to ensure daily operations is not affected. And finally, conducting regular evaluations of the system over its lifespan. So ultimately, all of the proposed systems presented offer a solution that would help our company meet its marketing objectives by addressing the various requirements and capability gaps of its current stack. However, it is undoubtedly the first best-in-breed approach that offers the most value to the company, given its current position and constraints. The optimization of the existing stack through the inclusion of a simple IPAS tool such as Tray will help provide a more effective solution through improved integration. This simple change could potentially increase operational simplicity, reduce operating costs, and create a better experience both internally and externally to the organization. Therefore, the company should implement the proposed best-in-breed solution in the short term, which will allow us to fulfill the needs for marketing technology without the excessive budget, time, and resources that the alternatives would require. Following this period of suitable growth, the company could then re-evaluate its approach and determine a longer-term solution that could better meet our requirements at scale as we expand our operations.